Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do roast potatoes that are absolutely amazing, crispy, flavourful and absolutely full of seasoning. And we're going to do it, we're not going to parboil the potatoes. The potatoes are just going to go straight in the air fryer, so these are going to be the best air fryer roast potatoes you will ever make. Let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do is you want to put the potatoes into a metal bowl, straight into a metal bowl. And these are just quartered, as you can see, nice potato. There we are. And we've rinsed them through with a little bit of water just to take the initial starch off. And that's the nice sized potatoes. The next step is this oil that I've made. It's got rosemary, garlic and thyme in it. It's absolutely beautiful. So you can make this at home. So you just sprinkle liberally on top of the roast potatoes, on top of the potatoes. Then you add some salt. You can use any kind of salt, but I'm going to use pink Himalayan salt. And then you're going to add some nice black pepper. And I'll just give them a nice mix. Really let that oil get in there. And the seasoning as well. So we've got the potatoes, we're going to give them a quick flip and then we're going to put them straight onto the baking tray. There we are. And then what we're going to do with that is put it on in the air fryer. Straight in the air fryer, and then we'll set the timer and the temperature. So set it for 20 minutes at 200 and we're just going to press start. Just keep your eye on them. So we're going to add a little bit more oil to it. And then we're going to put a little bit more butter in. Just feed it with a bit of butter so it really crisps up and gives it that buttery flavour, your roast potatoes. And then we're going to pop it back in for another 5 minutes and these should be absolutely perfect. Pop it back in. There we are. Beautiful. So guys, these are the finished roast potatoes. So what we've done is put a little bit more garlic oil on, and then we're going to put a little bit of parsley on and then just toss them a little bit in the oil and the parsley. You know, and just sprinkle it on. Then we'll just give it a quick toss. And then we're going to put them in the dish to serve. So we've just got a white dish here. We're just going to pop them in the dish. And you can smell the garlic, the butter, the little bit of oil and the seasoning. It's absolutely beautiful. And these are good for Christmas. They're good for any occasion. Just nice roast potatoes. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And I'll see you in the next video.